Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how to create a basic menu of a website. First, websites have got a lot of numerical languages. They have got HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and a lot of other. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the main languages HTML and CSS. Each of them has its own utility. HTML is the content. It includes the paragraph, the title, etc. In parallel, CSS is the layout. It includes the color of the text, the background, the position of the text, the style, the font, etc. etc. At the end of the tutorial, you will be able to do a website menu looking like this. The first thing you have to do before starting, you should download a coding software. In this tutorial, I will code with Sublime Text, a famous free software. The link is in the description. So, to begin with, you have to insert the basic HTML code. Therefore, copy this code in the description. Next, when you have done this, you have to put in the header, the tag title, your website name, and close the tag with /title. So, your website name will appear on the tab of your search engine. HTML title. There are different types of title. There exists the tag h1 to h6 with the property of h1 more important than h6. So h1 will be bigger than the h2 and the h2 will be bigger than the h3, etc. etc. So you will insert your main title, the h1, in general your website name. Next, you will insert your subtitle h2 on the bottom of the main title. As you can see, the size is different because of the tag. Paragraph. Next, you can insert your paragraph, the most important thing in a website. In the paragraph, you can put in your text one of the most important things in a website. The tag of paragraph is really simple. It's only P, your paragraph, and /P, and that's all. As you can see, the size is really small, but the text is regrouped and joined. CSS. CSS is essential. It will transform your website and make your website believable. So, in the first place, you have to connect the CSS to the HTML. In order to do this, you must enter this. The folder of CSS and HTML is connected. Good. Now we are going to take a color or a picture that we are going to put on the background of the website. In this example, we will take that X hexagon. Next, your chosen your picture, place it in the CSS code. Body, you open. Background image, URL, and the name of your image, and you close. And if you refresh your website, your background will change. As you can see, the size and the color of the text do not go together. So we are going to place some spaces for the paragraph or the title. For the main title, we will be able to change the size and make a colored background to see it clearly. In order to do this, you have to put in the CSS part. H1 for the main title, you open. Font size 100 px for the size of your title, width 100% for the length of your border, border 2px blue solid for the thickness of your border, the color of the border and the type of the border. Now you will be able to change the background color. So you put background color blue, for example, color white for the color of the text, border radius 10px for the corner of the border, text align center to center the main title, and you close. As you can see, the main title is now visible and can be seen easier. Now we will do the same for the subtitle and the paragraph, but they will be regrouped this time. You will see. To regroup these two things, you have to create a container. A container is to create a block and put in whatever you want in them, like images, many text, etc, etc. So you have to put this first in the CSS part. Hashtag container, you open with 80% for the length of the block, 500px for the height of the block, border 1px solid white is to choose the type of the block and the color of it, background color white for the background color, here white to see more of the text, border radius 10px for the corner of the block, margin left 10% to move the block from the left. Okay, and you close. Okay, now place dot content, you open, background color white for the background color of the text, and you close. Okay, good. Now you will add some things in the HTML part to join the CSS part and the HTML part. Okay, look, it's really simple. In first place div id container. Shortly after that, place the div class content, and just before the end of the body, close the two div with 2/div. Okay, nice. Let's check out the website now. Yeah, that's definitely better with a container. We will now make the finishes of the website. First, the subtitle. Let's make him on the center and make him grow in size. In order to do that, remember what we just do for the title. You have to put in the HTML part a class for the issue, subtitle, for example. Now in the CSS part, place dot subtitle, you open, font size 40px for its size, text align center to align it on the center of the block, and you close. Okay, as you can see, it worked and the subtitle got the good size. That's nice. Then we are going to change the size of the paragraph and move it away from the block. In the CSS part, place dot paragraph, you open, font size 30px for the size, margin left 20px to move it away from the left, margin right 20px to move it away from the right, and text align center to center the text, and you close. Okay, if you follow well the tutorial, you must know that you have, after this, place a class in the paragraph tag, name paragraph. To finish the website, I place some tag name or slash to pass a line and to make it prettier. Also, I change the background color of the title block. Okay, now let's make the website on internet. In order to do that, you have to go on the website 000 webhost. Okay, let's go. So 000webhost.com. You create an account. So I will just connect with my account. Okay. Next this step do, you click on the plus here. You choose the name of your website, so HTML for me. Okay, now you have to go on File Manager, upload file now. So you close that. Okay, and now you are in a page looking like this. So you choose all of your code and your images. So up, let's make it there, and upload. Okay, next this step do, you have to rename your principal page. My principal page is html1.html, so I right click on name and rename, and I rename in index, and you click on rename. Okay, now go on 000 webhost. You go on up webhost, and to go on your website, you just click here. Okay, nice. So now everybody can see your website, and they only have to put in the search bar this. It's finished for the tutorial. If you have any question for the HTML or CSS, ask in the description and I will answer you as soon as possible. Goodbye!